Her birimiz La ilahe illallah Muhammedun Resulullah diyoruz. Söz konusu ortak davalarımız, ortak çıkarlarımız olunca farklılıkları bir yana koyup kenetlenmek boynumuzun borcudur. İstanbul'un kaderi Şam'ın kaderinden, Bağdat'ın, Kahire'nin, Sana'nın kaderinden, İslamabad'ın, Kabil'in, Trablus'un, Tahran'ın kaderinden, Mekke ile Medine'nin ve elbette Kudüs'ün ve Gazze'nin kaderinden ayrı değildir. Çok kutuplu dünyada 2 milyarlık İslam aleminin tek başına bir kutup haline gelmesi şarttır.
So we were talking about these empires, and I was focusing on Babylon, the lion, the Medo-Persian, the bear, and the Greek or the leopard here, the number 5th one. And when Islam came, it was the Islamic Ottomans. I showed you what it looked like. The Ottoman Empire has another map to show you to the extent of how far it reached. Notice this strip down here in the Arabian Peninsula. Mecca was covered, Medina was covered, Jerusalem was covered. Erdogan today wants to, in his world, the way he's envisioned the revival of the Ottoman Empire, in Erdogan's mindset, he wants to reclaim all this territory today.